Disclaimer, before you watch this video, some of the steps I take aren't really orthodox, they're not normal. However, they work, and this computer works with a graphics card that wasn't meant to fit inside of it. It's kind of a very fat graphics card. And also another disclaimer, any damage to your system done is not at my fault, because you're the idiot if you damage your computer. Even though it's basically impossible to damage your computer doing this sort of thing unless you actually have a screwdriver and stab it with, even though you don't need a screwdriver, so I don't know why you would have a screwdriver in the first place. Okay, anyway, let's just start the video. Hello and welcome to a new PC tutorial video. In this tutorial, we are going to be showing how to upgrade your graphics card. Okay, first up the process, remove that power cord. Now you gotta remove all the display cables. Now this one right here is a little bit pesky. I know you can't see it, but yeah, oh, come on, get that out there. Yeah, it doesn't want to come out. There it is. Now I'm gonna remove my other display connectors. There we go. Now let's remove these USBs. And there we go. I'm just gonna remove my Ethernet cord. And now let's get to the interesting bit. Thing is, here usually you would just pull this out for my computer, but my computer, the side panel is broken, so we just need to take the side panel off because I just leave it off anyway. Now for the next step, on my Alienware Aurora, you need to unclip these two little things at the back because the power supply swings out. So it's a little bit weird of a design. It's not orthodox like most computers how they work, but it works. And I don't know if you can see this very well, but right here is a power connector for the graphics card, and we just need to take that one out. My camera's acting up here, but there's a little tiny clip thing that you just push in right there. Now you can take out the graphics card by removing that little clip piece. And you just give it a little tug and it comes right out. Now we get to the part where we put in the new graphics card. Now I should probably explain something here. The graphics card I'm going to put in here really doesn't actually fit. So we're just going to be throwing away this piece over there. And we're going to be improvising with a piece of foam. If you bought an EVGA graphics card like this, you will have this piece of foam inside the box, which is just kind of sitting there. I don't really know why, but anyway, it's there. And that's what we're going to be using to improvise for that little piece. Simply line the connector up right here, and you'll feel it kind of snap in place. You'll feel it kind of snap in place, and then hold it in place. Go get the piece of foam, put the foam under the graphics card, and there you go. You have a graphics card that shouldn't really fit in this computer, but it fits in. Now you can see right here, this piece sticks out a little bit too far, so you won't be able to close the power supply all the way, which also means that you won't be able to put your side panel on after this. Although, this really doesn't bother me too much because I just keep my side panel off anyway, because I have some external hard drives. And just as I said, you can see here, it can't close all the way. But personally, I really couldn't care about it. Now for pretty much the last step, just connect up the power connectors to the graphics card. So hopefully you like this tutorial about how to upgrade your graphics card, and goodbye.